Mr. Horton, you're accused of murdering your wife. What do you have to say? What was it like for you seeing him in the courtroom today?
Sickening. Almost like a nervous, it's a very scary feeling.
Tuesday morning was the first time Kylie Adrian, daughter of Julie Adrian, saw Joey Horton, the man charged with first-degree murder in her mother's death, inside the courtroom. He was brought over from the jail for a status hearing on an unrelated charge, an assault with a dangerous weapon charge involving his son from a previous relationship. The hearing on the first-degree murder charge was pushed back until the afternoon. It was just 1 week ago that deputies discovered the body of 47-year-old Julie Adrian in the backyard of her Fort Gibson home. According to the affidavit, Adrian appeared to have been stabbed. The statement reads in part, "Due to the large number of wounds, I was unable to determine the exact amount." It goes on to say the wounds were on both sides of Julie's head, neck, chest, back, and arms. It also states that neighbors heard Julie and Joey having a verbal altercation in their backyard on the evening of July 16th. And another neighbor said he heard Joey yelling and Julie screamed for help. The court document says when Joey was found later in Pittsburgh County, he had cuts on his hands, forehead, and leg. Last week, Horton entered a not guilty plea on the first-degree murder charge. He was supposed to appear in court again at 1:30, but his attorney, who had a case in another county, was running late. So all of the attorneys agreed to set a preliminary hearing date of September 15th for both cases. Defense attorney Ben Hilfiger, who is handling the case involving first-degree murder, describes what happens between now and then.
The state is going to get all the discovery from the police, which is just the evidence for the case, and they're going to hand that off to me once they get it, and then I'll review it and review it with Joey.
ADA Mark Collier explains what will happen during the prelim.
We have to establish that a crime was committed and probable cause that the defendant committed the crime. So it involves calling whatever witnesses are necessary to establish that. Who those will be and what they'll say at this point, I couldn't tell you.